And with number 9, we'll do what we always do. We'll look and see if there are any in the table that match the points that we already have, and there is not. Shucks. Oh well. So the way that we're going to go about this, everyone, is we're going to just get an equation going then and test them. So we have a negative 9 here, negative 9 here, negative 9 here, and negative 9 here. Got a positive 3, positive 3, positive 3, positive 3. So our slope is negative 9 over 3, or negative 3. To get back to the y-intercept, I need to just go back 3 here, back 9 here. So that gives us a y-intercept of positive 5. So for the first one, for A, we'll have y equals negative 3x, and our y-intercept is 5. So there we go. Got our equation. Let's test these points. So it's 6 equals negative 3 times negative 1 plus 5. 6 equals positive 3 plus 5. No, 6 is not going to be equal to 8. So A does not satisfy this function. B, y equals negative 3x plus 5. We've got 20 equals negative 3 times negative 5 plus 5. 20 is equal to positive 15 plus 5. 20 is equal to 20. Yes, B satisfies the function. For C, y equals 3x plus 5. So we've got negative 85 is equal to 3 times 30 plus 5. This one is obviously not going to work. So negative 85 is equal to 90 plus 5. No, negative 85 is not equal to positive 95. So C is out. Lastly, D, we've got y equals 3x plus 5. 6 is equal to 3 times negative 13 plus 5. This one's not going to work either. So 6 is equal to negative 39 plus 5. 6 is equal to negative 34. So no, D does not work either. And so with that, I'll leave this here for some notes and move on to number 10. So for number 10, we'll check and see if there's anything in our tables that table that matches the points. It doesn't look like there is, so we've got some work to do. Got to test all 4 of them. So this is increasing by 6. Let's see what's going on here. That's increasing by 6. That's increasing by 12. That's increasing by 3. That's increasing by 6. So by 2, by 4, by 1, and by 2. So I can pick any pair of those. I'll choose the first one, slope, 6 over 2, or 3. And for the y-intercept, we know that the slope is 3. So that's 3 over 1. So I could drop back 1 to get to 0. I would have to drop back 3 over here. So that puts our y-intercept at 5. So we're going to have an equation. We'll test point A right here. Y equals 3x plus 5. And so we'll try our points. For A, negative 15 is equal to 3 times negative 5 plus 5. This is not going to work. Negative 15 is equal to negative 15 plus 5. Negative 15 is not equal to negative 10. So A does not work. B, y equals 3x plus 5. 65 is equal to 3 times 20 plus 5. 65 equals 60 plus 5. And the answer is yes, 65 is equal to 65. So yes, B satisfies this function. I'm going to fix this here because that looks like a 6. And C, y equals 3x plus 5. So we've got 90 is equal to 3 times 30 plus 5. 90 is equal to 90 plus 5. The answer is no. 90 is not equal to 95. And lastly, D, y equals 3x plus 5. So 5 is equal to 3 times 0 plus 5. And the answer is going to be yes. 0 plus 5 is 5. So D does satisfy the equation. Okay, I'll pause for a moment for notes and move on to number 11. Okay, let's check and see if there are any points that we have in the table that match points in our points. The answer is no, so we get to test all 4 on this one also. Crazy. So increasing by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3, increasing by 1. So it looks like our slope is 3 over 1, or 3. And our y-intercept is right there in the table. That's nice, it's negative 3. So we'll test point A right here. Y is equal to 3x. No idea why that popped up. And our y-intercept is negative 3. So we'll test negative 30 equals 3 times negative 8 minus 3. Negative 30 equals negative 24 minus 3. The answer is going to be no. Negative 30 is not equal to negative 27. So A does not satisfy the function. Let's try B. Y equals 3x minus 3. Negative 12 is equal to 3 times negative 3 minus 3. Negative 12 equals negative 9 minus 3. Negative 12 equals negative 12. And yes, that one does satisfy the function. Moving on to C. Y equals 3x minus 3. 27 is equal to 3 times 10 minus 3. 27 is equal to 30 minus 3. 27 equals 27. So yes, C does satisfy the function. And then last one for this problem, D. Y equals 3x minus 3. 2 is equal to 3 times 3 minus 3. This one's not going to work. 9 minus 3 is not 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. So no. D does not satisfy the function. Pull it out here a little bit so we can pause and get notes if you need that. And moving on to 12. So let's check and see if there are any points that match. There are in this one, which is awesome. So I see a 0, negative 4 here. I see a 0, negative 4 there. Those do match. So A is given to us. The next one, 4 and 12, no. 10 and 36, no. Negative 3 and negative 16, yes. We see a negative 3, negative 16 right here and right here. So that one is free as well. So we only need to test B and C here today. So I'm going to move my mouse out of the way. There we go. So let's take a look. We're increasing by 4 over here. Increasing by 1 over here. So our slope is 4 over 1, or 4. And our y-intercept is given to us. It's negative 4, so that makes it easy. So for A, we will have the equation y equals 4x minus 4. And so we need to test point B. So I'm going to change that to be point B, not point A, because we already got point A. We proved it's already there. So we're going to test point B. And so we've got 12 as our y value is equal to 4 times 4. What in the world is going on? Okay. minus 4. So 12 is equal to 16 minus 4. The answer is yes, 12 is equal to 12. So B satisfies the function. We need to test C, and we're done with this page. So y equals 4x minus 4. 36 is equal to 4 times 10 minus 4. 36 is equal to 40 minus 4. 36 equals 36. So yes, C does satisfy the function. And that's going to be it for this video.